Hello everybody and welcome to Dirk's Money. My name is Dirk and today we're going to talk about the top 4 credit cards for beginners. Now, this doesn't have to be your first card. These were actually my first 4 cards and I built my credit very fast. As you guys know that. You guys know credit is very important. All the links to these cards will be in the description. So without further ado, let's just get right into the first card. So our first card is the Discover It card. This card is great because, one, you get 1.5 times miles on all of your purchases. You want credit cards with good rewards. It's free money. And then, after you've had the card for a year, they will match your miles. So after a year, I had 40,000 miles, okay, 40,000 miles. So they matched it, I had 80. That's equivalent to 800 bucks. So I got $800 for free for just using the card. I don't pay interest on my cards, and that's because I pay them off the same day I use them. I have a whole video on that. I'll leave the link in the description along with my dropshipping ebook if you want to make easy money. Both links will be in the description. Great card. Get it. Link in description. There's a lot of links in the description. You guys get it. Card number 2 is the Capital One Platinum card. This, if you don't have a card, this is probably what you should apply for first. But if you have some type of credit or, you think you can get one of these other cards, which you probably should be able to because these cards are basic cards. This Capital One Platinum card has nothing to offer really. It's just a basic credit card. So you can get that one if you want. If you don't get the other ones or, you want to just risk getting declined, do whatever you want. But, yeah, this is just a basic credit card. Nothing is cool about this card at all besides it's a credit card. Our third card is the Capital One Venture 1 card. You get 1.25 times miles for every purchase. And if you spend $1,000 within the first 3 months, you get 200 bucks for free. And just a very overall good card. All these cards are good cards. Every card I have is a good card. I love to get free stuff. And if you don't pay any interest on it and you just pay it off the same day like I explained in my other videos, you get free stuff. So that's great. So our fourth card is a secured credit card. There's no picture because this is like one with the bank. And I did this a while ago. I forgot how it even works. I'm pretty sure what it is, I'm pretty sure this is how it is you pretty much give the bank money up front and that is your credit limit. And that's like how it works. So, yes, so if you have a credit limit of 500 bucks, you have to give them the 500 up front. It acts like a normal credit card. It's just they have that security, and that's why it's called a secured credit card. You can go to your bank, any bank really, and you can apply for one of these. You pretty much, I think you get approved every single time. So, that is it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and this is Dirk's Money.